Journey begins at Bank of England's secure printing works, advanced polymer destined to become pound sterling with revolutionary security features. See-through window prepares in polymer. Transparent security feature unique to British currency.
Holographic foil prepares with coronation crown. Color shifting patch creating advanced pound security feature.
Holographic patch applies to polymer substrate. Color-shifting coronation crown integrating over transparent window.
Spark, optically variable ink adds security. Gold to green color-shifting formulation protecting pound authenticity.
Purple security ink prints onto polymer. Primary color creating pound foundation design distinctive to British currency.
Red ink applies to purple printed substrate. Multicolor security design developing on pounds.
Gold ink adds metallic accents to pound design. Rich color enhancing multi-layered security pattern.
Enigma machine prints onto pound substrate. Code-breaking device appearing in security colors, honoring Turing's legacy.
Mathematical formulas print celebrating Turing's genius. Binary code and equations appearing in security inks.
Denomination £50 prints in color-shifting spark ink. Optical variable marking identifying pound value with gold to green shift.
Bank of England official text prints onto substrate. Promise to pay bearer inscribing pound authority.
Reverse side printing creates coordinating design. Back security patterns forming on pound in matching colors. Complete reverse shows full security design. Purple, red and gold creating distinctive £50 back with Bletchley Park.
Automated inspection verifies pound quality. High-speed systems examining every polymer currency detail precisely.
Inspection cameras verify printing precision. Alan Turing portrait, colors, transparent window and hologram checked meticulously.
Approved pound sheets pass strict Bank of England inspection. Multicolored transparent polymer currency meeting royal standards.
Bank of England seal verified on each pound. Official mark authenticating British currency from central bank.
Complete pounds show all authentication marks. Serial numbers marking transparent polymer currency perfectly.
Inspectors verify serial number quality. Legibility checked carefully on polymer pounds.
Printed polymer sheets advance to cutting equipment. Individual £50 pounds ready for separation.
Precision cutters prepare for pound separation. Advanced equipment cutting transparent polymer currency.
Sharp blades separate individual pounds. Transparent polymer sheets becoming single currency notes.
Individual pounds emerge from cutting. Separated transparent polymer currency ready for handling and verification.
Automated counting organizes pound notes. Transparent polymer currency, stacking systematically for bundling.
Approved pound stacks ready for bundling. Quality verified polymer currency organizing for Bank of England.
Bundling straps prepare for pound notes. Bands securing polymer currency stacks professionally.
Paper straps secure pound stacks. Transparent polymer notes bundling systematically for distribution.
Pound bundles seal in security plastic. Heat-sealed protections safeguarding transparent polymer currency.
Labeled packages secure pound production. Bank of England marks completing transparent polymer currency protection. Reinforced cases prepare for pound transport. Heavy-duty metal containers protecting transparent polymer currency.
Pound packages load into reinforced cases. Multicolored transparent polymer currency placing in metal protection carefully.
Filled reinforced cases protect pound shipments. Metal containers safeguarding transparent polymer currency for bank.
Reinforced cases lock with multiple security points. Heavy-duty protection securing pound shipments completely.
Sealed cases ready for Bank of England vault storage. Pound currency protected in reinforced metal containers.
Bank of England vault prepares for pound storage. Reinforced Threadneedle Street facility protecting British currency.
Multi-factor biometric controls, bank vault access. Advanced systems protecting pound sterling storage comprehensively. Vault door opens revealing secure bank interior.
Climate-controlled facility storing transparent polymer pounds.
Vault interior maintains optimal conditions. Temperature control and surveillance protecting pounds constantly in bank.
Armed bank guards transport pound cases carefully. Protected movement into secure Bank of England vault facility.
Reinforced cases position in bank vault storage. Pound currency organizing systematically in Threadneedle Street facility. Bank vault stores multiple pound cases securely. Transparent polymer currency inventory protected systematically.
Digital systems monitor pound inventory. Real-time tracking protecting transparent polymer currency constantly in bank vault.
Climate control protects pound quality. Temperature and humidity maintained precisely for transparent polymer notes.
Comprehensive security protects Bank of England pound vault. Multiple layers safeguarding transparent polymer currency inventory totally.
Authorized retrieval accesses pound cases. Bank of England distribution preparation beginning carefully.
Security seals verified before distribution. Pound cases authenticated carefully for authorized bank release.
Armored vehicle prepares for pound transport. Reinforced G4S security transferring transparent polymer currency to banks.
Armed guards escort pound cases carefully. Multiple security personnel protecting transparent polymer currency movement.
Pound cases load into armored transport. Reinforced compartments securing transparent polymer currency carefully for banks.
GPS tracking monitors pound transport. Real-time location protecting transparent polymer currency shipment across Britain.
Encrypted communications protect pound logistics. Secure channels coordinating transparent polymer currency movement with bank.
Armored convoy departs with pound shipment. Comprehensive security protecting transparent polymer currency transport to banking system.
Bank of England coordinates pound distribution to commercial banks. Banking system receiving transparent polymer currency schedules.
Distribution manifests track pound shipments. Documentation enabling transparent polymer currency accountability to banks.
Digital database tracks every pound serial number. Comprehensive Bank of England records ensuring transparent polymer currency accountability.
Production statistics track pound manufacturing. Metrics monitoring transparent polymer currency output precisely for bank. Laboratory analyzes pound quality samples. Testing verifying transparent polymer substrate and ink standards continuously.
Security personnel train in counterfeit detection, learning to authenticate multicolored transparent polymer pounds with all features.
Demonstration shows genuine £50 features, Queen's portrait window, coronation crown hologram, spark OVI, and Alan Turing raised print authenticating currency.
Defective pounds destroyed securely. Waste transparent polymer currency shredded, preventing misuse or counterfeiting.
Multiple security perimeters protect pound printing works. Comprehensive boundaries safeguarding transparent polymer currency production completely.
Control room monitors all pound production. Comprehensive surveillance protecting transparent polymer currency facility operations.
Documentation shows pound's economic impact. Transparent polymer currency supporting British and international commerce. Sustainability initiatives reduce production impact. Environmental responsibility in transparent polymer currency manufacturing.
Bank of England heritage spans centuries of currency production. Modern polymer pounds continuing tradition of excellence.
Pounds deliver to commercial banks throughout Britain. Transparent polymer currency entering British financial circulation system. Complete printing works produces pounds continuously. Integrated operations manufacturing secure, transparent polymer currency for Britain.